Hey guys, time for a tip for Tuesday. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, did you know that numerous lenders, let's say 5, 10, 15, 20, 50 lenders, could all do a credit check on you? And at the end of the day, it'll only count as one credit hit on your credit score? That's right. But there's a catch. Hey, quickly, Julian Gonzalez with RSVP Real Estate. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you learned anything at any point in this video, I greatly appreciate if you would throw in a little like and maybe even subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, so you might recall several weeks ago, I did a video. It was during Black Friday. And I said, guys, if you're looking to buy a home in 2024, please don't overextend yourself. Please don't max out your credit card, spend all your cash, because you're gonna need it when you go look for a home. You want your debt to 8 ratio to be where it should be. In other words, making more money than having more debt. You need some money. You need to save money for closing costs, maybe for the down payment, obviously. A lot of things you want to do. You want to be prepared when the moment comes to strike and buy a home. So you want to be prepared when you come up and talk to lenders. And that's where I'm going with this. I have a lot of buyers that say to me, Julian, I'm shopping around for a good rate, great terms from different lenders, but I'm scared they're gonna look into my credit score and I'm gonna take a hit. I said, yes, but no. You're gonna take a hit. But did you know that you have a 45-day window from the first inquiry about your credit score to the last one by lenders, home mortgage lenders? Within those 45 days, you could have 5, 10, 15, 20, 50. And as long as it's in that 45-day window, it's only going to count as one hit. Why? Well, because other lenders know that you're going to buy just one home. Now, one thing you might not know is that when you yourself look up your own credit report, credit score, it doesn't affect your credit. And it's very important that you do it, guys, because you want to make sure there's no blemishes in that credit score. So now during the holidays, you got a lot of time. You want to make sure everything's A-okay. Now, I had some buyers, Rohit and Anuya, very sweet people, went through the process, getting a loan. The mortgage company came up and said, hey, I think it was the Gap, there was an open credit line and it had been paid, $100 that hadn't been paid back. That hurt them massively. That's why he was telling me, Julian, I don't know why my credit score at 620. He hadn't checked in a long time. So he fixed that up, got that all complete, and now he's in the clear, he's fine, and they're actively looking for a house, guys. So before anything, make sure you do your own credit report, check it all out. It's not gonna affect your credit overall, it's not gonna be a hit. And remember, you have a 45-day window to inquire with as many lenders as you want for it to only count as one hit on your credit score. Good luck out there.